Whether you are an experienced whiskey drinker or not, the global ambassador of Johnnie Walker says all that matters is how you choose to enjoy it. The ambassador has answers for those who don't drink whiskey at all to those who choose a Scotch as their drink of choice. Tom Jones is the global ambassador for John Walker & Sons. He is currently sailing with the Voyager, a yacht representing Johnnie Walker. One of his scheduled stops was Aruba. We took the opportunity to ask the ambassador questions regarding how-tos when it comes to those inexperienced with whiskey.
For someone new, the first thing is to find out, well, what is your drink of choice at the moment? Do you drink with a mixer, for example? Do you prefer a longer drink? Because certainly if a longer drink's what you're looking for, then find a mixer to mix with whiskey. Because if you sip it straight, it's going to be different. It's going to be alien to you.
Mr. Jones also provides some guidance to those who chooses whiskey as their drink of choice. What are some of the best ways to enjoy the spirit?
The best way to enjoy whiskey and the best way to really appreciate the flavors is with friends and talk about them. Certainly you could enjoy, for example, a Blue Label in a nice big balloon glass with a smaller at the top and larger at the bottom so it holds all those aromas. Have a glass of chilled water first to cleanse your palate before you taste the whiskey. And the most thing is to take time to savor that flavor. Don't just sip and swallow straight away. Move the whiskey around, let it flood over your palate for at least 10 seconds. Then you'll really get to know the flavors that are locked inside great whiskey and indeed Johnnie Walker.
Whiskey can be seen to some as an acquired taste, but Tom Jones highly recommends you to give Johnnie Walker a taste whenever you get the opportunity to.
So for me, if I hadn't tried whiskey before, I'd definitely try Johnnie Walker, of course. Honestly, I don't feel that there's any one of them that you should try before the other. Whatever you're lucky enough to have the opportunity to try, please do and enjoy. Of course, enjoy it responsibly. If you're going to try it neat, have a glass of water to the side, because it's always good to make sure you consume a little bit of water when you're having your whiskey. If you have it with a mixer with loads of ice and a nice tasty garnish, it's going to be a great drink.
The global ambassador reveals the way he believes is best to savor Johnnie Walker.
I think one of the most refreshing drinks I love to enjoy is Johnnie Walker with some tonic and zest of fresh lemon. I think it brings out some great flavors. It's very refreshing with the lemon, just lifting the notes, and you get some great flavors from the whiskey as well.
And there you have it, a lesson on whiskey from Johnnie Walker's global ambassador himself. Hopefully you learned a thing or two on the spirit. That is our show for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back here with a brand new edition of the show on Wednesday night starting at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV. So we will see you then.